Hey guys, welcome to the next video. I'm going to show you some more advanced ways how to research for products using an Oaxray tool. So I'm back at this helicopter item here. I'm going to click on the new 19, and what you can also do, guys, you can also research through sellers, not just going through the stores like a lot of people would do. You can also go for the actual Amazon FBA sellers, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And you can go down here, you go FBA sellers here available for your wish list, expected deals, loan garden, and you see they're fulfilled by Amazon sellers, right? So you can assume they do exactly the same thing as you do, while because they have a $65 price on this product. Because remember, we sourced it for about $27 or so, right? From Target, I believe. I think this is the link for the product. Let's take a look. Yeah, $27.99. So I mean, you can see clearly it's this item here. Let's go back. Sorry, no, this is not the correct one. So you can see clearly this item is selling by other sellers by 65, 69. So you can assume they're doing Amazon FBA, right? What you can do is you can click on their feedback and just open them up in a new tab. And what you can do is you can just basically research for this storefront. You can click on the products here. You give an option of 12 items per page, or you can click your wish list storefront here. Okay, and you can research through the, for these storefronts. You got 8 pages to look for. So basically, they already done the ideas for you. They already found those products. They have listed them for you. Now you just need to find the sources, and that's just that's kind of a quicker way how to find the products. Yet it could be a bit more competitive because you are going to be competing with the sellers 100%, and you might not be able to find the unique products with unique profit margins, but it's a good way to look for products. And what you can do now is just basically on this page here, click on the Oaxray tool and it just do the research for you. Alright, sounds good. So that's what you're basically doing for this particular research. Same thing, it just does the scan for you. You can see it builds up, and we're going to be basically good to go. Okay. Now, there is another way how to research for products in a bulk way, in case you don't want to be waiting or it takes too long and etc. So you can just, if you're going to go to this particular seller here, for example, I mean, let's take a look how many pages he has. This one has 8 pages, so I mean, you can really scan this quickly by hand, like by clicking Oaxray 8 times and you're good to go. But this particular one here, let's take a look how many pages he's got. I don't know how many he's got, maybe 20, maybe 10. Okay, 10, that's not too much as well. So let's find somebody else. Let's find somebody else who's got plenty of pages, like this TCT Toys, for example. And I'm just gonna see how many he has. There's some sellers might not be FBA sellers too. They might be like retailers or storefronts. You can tell that by the number of feedbacks usually, and just by the name of the store too. You'll see like a toy shop, discount outlet, or something like that. It could be wholesalers, but you will tell that you will know about this straight away as soon as you have your Oaxray scan done for you. Okay, and you will kind of see there's no profitable items. I mean, you can't find anything, just leave it alone. Okay, this still has 16 pages. Let's just stop on this one here. What you can do here, we've got a tool called a Storefront Stalker on the top right corner here, which is going to be included for you in the file. You can just click on this tool. Basically, what it does is scrapes all the SINs from this seller's page. Take a look what it does. 16 pages of SINs. All right, so 16 pages. What you can do now here is you want to click Oaxray, and just click save in the Oaxray format. Basically, you're saving a full CSV file with the actual SINs and the prices there. Okay, so you click save, and the file goes into downloads, obviously, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to click show in folder, and we're just going to quickly demonstrate how it works. And I've got a scan SIN folder here I particularly use. You can just move this file over to, let's say, scan SIN. And then what you can go is you can just prepare a little Google Sheet document like I have here already prepared for us. This is another scan I did earlier some time ago, and I got a full file here with about 100 and how many SINs do I have here now? Let's take a look. I've got I've got quite a few here. Let's go down using this method. I've got, check this out, guys. I got 2,000. Over 2,000 almost 2,000 SINs. So this seller was pretty big. That's about 100 pages because there's 24 items per page. So I can bulk scan him through Oaxray, and you just basically to do that example, I just showed you what you need to do. You just click File, you need to click Open, and you just need to upload, and then just select File from your computer, and you want to go to your scan SIN, and you just get this file. get this into there. But I'm just going to show you this on a bigger example because this has 2,000. This one had a 2,000 SINs, which is pretty big. So what you want to do here is after you've sorted out, you have to you'll have some columns to delete. You can check out in which format you should do. If you're going to go click Oaxray here, you can check out in which format you have to download and sort out your actual file in order for it to go through to an Oaxray. Okay, so here if you click load CSV, so you can actually load up your CSV file, you got like a little video tutorial on how to make your file looking nice and tidy. It has to be in a curriculum CV format, so it's a CSV format, okay, in order to browse and download it into your Oaxray tool. Okay, so let's go back to this SIN page I have. So you have typically like a couple extra columns. You just have to delete them and just make it look nice and tidy. Then what you want to do is you want to click File and you want to click so first of all, you scrape the SINs, you download them to your computer, you put them in a separate folder so it doesn't confuse you. You open up, you sort out the columns, make sure those two columns like here, like there's going to be a couple of columns you have to just delete, and there's going to be SIN and the price. You just have to leave SIN and the price. That's the key two things, two criteria. And you just click File. Now you want to save this, download as comma separated value. Okay, now it's downloaded. You can just show it in folder again. And now I put it straight back into this folder again, just to make it easy for me. And I'm going to delete those two because I don't need those two, right? I just need this SIN, the one I just uploaded, because that's what I want to work with, okay? So it basically takes an extra sort of 45 seconds up to a minute of your time if you do it really fast. And you go to Oaxray, click Browse Files, and now you can upload this entire sheet into it, okay? SIN, and now you click Process Online, and it's done. Now you can just relax, sit back, you know, drink a coffee or two, and then it just does the whole scanning processing for you. And it does over 2,000, almost 2,000 products in a matter of, I'll say, about 10 minutes or so. But that way you don't have to click through all individual pages. This is the quick and bulky way of finding products. We've got some green stuff coming up already here, guys. So that's how this storefront stalker works, and that's just some extra 2 methods for you guys to use when doing your research from Amazon sellers. And then if you're tired, if you got 100 pages to go through, use Oaxray. You see a little button here, it says Tactical Arbitrage. Is another tool I'm going to discuss with you later in the videos. You can also upload it to Tactical Arbitrage tool, but we're using Oaxray here. And you know, I'm more of a fan of Oaxray tool because I just like it a bit more than Tactical Arbitrage. But you will see also you have also an option to upload it into that tool too for it to analyze. Okay, I mean they work pretty much the same, they have the same principle, but they just work slightly different. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, the deals keep coming and coming. There's gonna be reds and greens, and you just have to seed out as always. Click my buys. I mean I don't have I have to clear my Oaxray, so I gotta put my criteria back in there, but you get it, guys. Just click positive ROI, sort out what's profitable, what's not profitable for you, and just continue looking for the profitable items. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.